Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another live forex trading example video for you guys based on my secret market scanner. Today I'm very excited to share with you that I'm getting a lot of positive feedback from my clients. Those who have purchased my secret market scanner recently, they are producing some very decent results in their trading account. And also I am receiving tons of requests from my clients to trade their account on their behalf. So I am very much willing to help you guys, and I have set my priority in 2021 that I'll be helping as many people as I can. As you can see, I have also started to make lots of videos, so I'm really much into the market right now, receiving lots of queries and requests. So yeah, I am here to help you guys. So do email me on support@FxChildsplaySignals.com if you want me to trade your account or if you want to purchase my secret market scanner, because currently it is very deep discounted offer, and sooner I am going to raise the price because I am receiving lots of new subscribers on daily basis and the demand is increasing. So you should grab your copy as soon as possible. Let's start this video. As you can see, I am currently on my pound Swissy chart. According to my signal, it was a buy, so it was a very classic trade, and look what happened. The price reacted from one of our system rules, just pip to pip, and if you go to the shorter time frame, look at that, it was a clear-cut support area, and then boom, there was a news movement, but our scanner identified the trade in advance, and look what happened. Boom, it went almost 131 pips. So yeah, this is how my secret market scanner works. If you want to purchase it, please email support@FxChildsplaySignals.com. And that's it for this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, don't forget to join my free Telegram channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.